Hello, everybody. Welcome to the second week of Elsk, our novel by Cynthia Voigt. And this week, we're really going to focus in on characterization. Characterization is the use of literary devices, way of writing about people and things to help you understand what kind of a person you're dealing with, any of the characters that you're reading in a book. Today, we're going to focus on Elsk this week. The first thing you're going to want to do is go right to your lesson guide and start here. This lesson guide has everything that's going to happen during the characterization week, this next coming week. And it's all running under the assumption that you have read pages 1 to 94 from last week's assignment so that you can get started right away and hit the ground running with our discussion. There is a writing prompt I'd like you to discuss. That's the first thing you'll want to do. Then after you've made your first discussion point there, I want you to watch the characterization video and the quiz that follows that. You can take that quiz a couple times to make sure that you have gotten it. So if you didn't get 5 out of 5 on that quiz the first time around, please do go through the second time and try it again. Probably want to review the video again before you do that. After you've done that, though that is due on July the 8th, so you'll need to have watched the video and taken that quiz by the 8th. By the 5th, I want your first discussion point. You're also going to respond after you have watched a little bit about characterization, respond to this discussion points on one of your peers' posts. That's also due on the 8th. After you have finished your discussion points, I want you to go ahead and find indirect characterization in your novel. You'll find that Elsk is almost exclusively indirect characterization, very few examples of direct characterization, but indirect characterization is the more complicated. And so that's why we're focusing in on that. Then you will go to the class compilation, which is just a Google Doc with 4 fields you need to enter: your name, the evidence in the page number, whether it's Steele, you'll know whether it's S-T-E-A or L based on the video, and the trait that is exemplified. Then we will use this information that everybody is posting here in an effort to take a final exit quiz on characterization to see if you understand characterization well enough to apply it. The whole point of learning to characterize and learning to find these little places where people are characterized is because in our lives, we are constantly taking in information about what people will do and why they do it. If we are able to follow this in novels and see how characters are portrayed and how you can find out what people are like and what their real true character is, you can start doing that in your real life and start making educated guesses about what people will do and why they will do it and how they will treat you, and that will give you a leg up in life. So in addition to reading a beautiful novel about interesting characters that are worth admiring, you will also be learning a skill that you can apply in all areas of your life, anywhere where there are other people, which is a heck of a lot of places. So that being said, you'll want to go to the module home, make this lesson guide here your friend, and everything is in order. So if you have any questions at all, go ahead and go to the discussion board and post it. And that way everybody can benefit from your question and my answer. Or maybe you all can answer each other's questions and I can just drink a glass of iced tea. So have a lovely week, and I look forward to your responses and discussions. Thanks a lot.